This is Allied Jupiter Anesthesia Workstation. This is a 2-gas machine with the oxygen and nitrous oxide supply. It has got integrated ventilator onto the workstation, as well as the breathing system also is there with the standard supply. Now talking about the input supply to the machine, we are giving 2 yokes for oxygen gases, oxygen cylinders, and 2 yokes for nitrous oxide, and the corresponding gauges will be displaying the pressure of the nitrous oxide cylinder as well as the oxygen cylinders. For central supply connection to the hospital, we are giving dedicated NIST connectors for oxygen as well as for nitrous oxide, and also we are giving the provision for putting the 2 big cylinders at the back of the machine. This machine has got facility of mounting 2 Selectatech vaporizers. So it has got a 4 Selectatech block over here. So you can mount 2 vaporizers at the same time, but only one drug can be used with the single vaporizer. So the vaporizer will be having the interlocking mechanism in this. Now coming on to the open and closed circuit, this machine can be used with both open circuit as well as closed circuit. So for open circuit, you have to move the knob like this to the open circuit position, and Bain circuit and all the open circuits like Bain circuit, Jackson-Rees or Meigel circuit can be connected on this CGO. If you want to use this machine with the closed circuit, then you have to move this knob to the closed circuit position like this, and then the closed circuit can be connected on this circle absorber system. This is the inspiratory limb and this is the expiratory limb. So we are giving circle absorber with dual canister facility. This canisters can hold up to 2 kg of soda lime in the dual canister system. This machine has got single drawer for keeping all the accessories of the anesthesia machine, and we are giving a large surface over here to keep the accessories and different consumables for using in the anesthesia operations. Now coming on to the integrated ventilator, this machine has got a pneumatically driven and electronically controlled ventilator with the display of 3.2 inches of monochromatic type, and for turning on this ventilator there is an on-off switch over here. So as soon as you move the switch to the on position, you will be getting the standby screen on the display. So the changeable parameters here are tidal volume, target tidal volume, the frequency, the I/E ratio, and the peak pressure. For setting these parameters, you have to press the setting key over here. So whichever parameters gets highlighted, you can change it with the help of this increase and decrease knob like this. And for confirmation, you have to press the confirm key over here. So as it is shown over here that for setting the target volume of tidal volume of 500 ml at 16 frequency and I/E ratio of 1:2, you have to require the flow rate of 0.4 liters per second. So accordingly, you have to move this knob at 0.4 liters per second for giving these parameters. Now for ventilating, starting the ventilation, you have to press and hold this button, and the ventilation will start. Now whatever fresh gas flow is set from here, this is the oxygen knob. It has got low flow tubing also and the high flow tubing also, and this is the nitrous oxide knob, which is also having the low flow tube and the high flow tube. So whatever flow you will be setting from here, it will be going into this bellow jars, and that will be delivered to the patient. This flow meter has got built-in anti-hypoxia device, which ensures that the mixture which is delivered to the patient should be having 25% of oxygen all the time, and also whenever the oxygen fails, the nitrous oxide shuts off automatically.